Are altcoins heading for a collapse in 2026? And was the sharp decline of 2025 just a warm-up? This is TOTAL3ES, the total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all stablecoins. Monthly chart, logarithmic scale. Since 2017, price has been trapped inside a rising wedge. Support and resistance both trend upward, but the range keeps getting tighter. 8 years of this pattern building up. Inside this wedge, you can count 5 distinct waves. Wave 1 peaked in early 2018. Wave 2 bottomed at the COVID crash. Wave 3 was the explosive 2021 top. Now look at Wave 3 closely. It deviated above the resistance line. Price broke out briefly, then fell straight back into the wedge. That is exhaustion. The RSI, the Relative Strength Index, tells the same story on the monthly time frame. Price keeps printing higher highs on the chart, but the RSI keeps printing lower highs. Every single time. A bearish divergence, and it has been building for years. Each rally carries less momentum than the one before, and the RSI still has not reached the lower trend line. There is room to fall. With the wedge now broken, all of these downside targets come into play. This is a monthly chart, though. These targets could take months, or even years, to fully play out. Let's shine a spotlight on the 2025 price action. Dow Theory makes the trend reversal clear. Price made a high, then a higher high. Textbook uptrend, but then a lower high, followed by a lower low, a break of structure. The uptrend is over. Let's switch to the weekly chart to see how price reacted to the wedge after the breakdown. This solid line is where the wedge support held for years. The dashed part is the extension, where it should have continued. Right here, price broke below. Breakdown confirmed. After that, price rallied back to test the line from underneath. A classic retest, but it was rejected. What was once support is now acting as resistance. Support flipping to resistance. One of the most reliable bearish confirmations in technical analysis. So here's where we stand. An 8-year rising wedge broken. Momentum fading with every rally. The weekly retest rejected. All downside targets remain in play. The 2025 decline may have been just the beginning. This is Mr. Moo Chart. Trade carefully.